In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate in Photopea using a really simple layer-based method that works great for beginners. We're going to set up your layers, create frame-by-frame movement, and then export everything as an animated GIF. This is perfect if you want to animate a logo, a spaceship, a bird, or any object you want to move across the screen without needing complicated software. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Photopea project and get your image elements ready. You'll need a background and the main subject you want to animate. That could be anything from a rocket to a character or even a logo. Once everything is imported, look over on the right side of the screen and find your Layers panel. This is where all the animation magic starts. Now, double-click the name of your subject layer so you can rename it. At the very beginning of the layer name, type _A_. So if your layer is called Rocket, rename it to _A_Rocket. This is important because Photopea uses that naming style to recognize the layer as part of an animation. It's a simple little step, but it makes a big difference. After that, move your subject to the starting position you want for the animation. Think about where the movement should begin. If you're animating a spaceship, maybe place it on the left side of the canvas. If it's a logo, maybe start it slightly off-center or just outside the frame. The goal here is to set the first frame of motion clearly. Next, we're going to build the rest of the animation by duplicating that layer and shifting it little by little. Select your _A_ layer, then press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac to duplicate it. This creates a new copy of the same object. Now use the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard and nudge the duplicate a small amount in the direction you want it to travel. For example, if your object is moving from left to right, move the new layer slightly to the right. If it's flying upward, shift it a little higher. The key is to make each step small and consistent so the movement looks smooth when Photopea turns it into an animation. Once you've moved the duplicate, press Ctrl+J or Command+J again to make another copy of the newest layer. Then move that one a little further along the same path. Keep repeating this process over and over. Duplicate, move, duplicate, move. Each layer becomes a new frame in your animation. The more layers you create, the smoother your animation will look. If you only use a few frames, the motion will appear a little choppier. If you build out more steps, the animation will feel cleaner and more natural. So take your time and map out the full movement carefully across the canvas. As you do this, keep an eye on the Layers panel. You should see your copies stacking one after another. That stack is what Photopea will use to create the animation sequence. It's a really straightforward workflow once you understand it, and it gives you a lot of control over the final result. Now that your layers are ready, it's time to export the animation. Go up to the top left corner of the screen and click File. Then hover over Export As, and from the side menu, choose GIF. This will open the animation export window, where you can preview how your movement looks before saving it. In the Preview panel, you'll see your animation playing in real time. This is where you can fine-tune the settings. If the motion feels too fast, lower the speed. If it feels too slow, increase it. You can also turn on boomerang or reverse if you want the animation to play backward or bounce back and forth instead of looping in one direction only. Another important setting is repeat. If you want the GIF to loop forever, set repeat to 0. If you want it to play a specific number of times, enter that amount instead. This is really useful depending on where you plan to use the animation. Before you finish, make sure the quality slider is set to 100% so your export stays crisp and clean. Then click Save, choose where you want to download it, and Photopea will export your animated GIF. And that's it. You've just learned how to animate in Photopea using layers, duplication, and GIF export. Once you understand this method, you can animate almost anything in a simple and creative way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.